Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to recover deleted apps from the Google Play Store. So let's start the video. First open the Play Store. Now tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Then tap on Manage Apps and Devices. Next go to the Manage tab. Then tap on this device. At the bottom you will see your option like the devices are not installed. Tap on Not Installed. Here you will see a list of all the apps you have downloaded before but deleted. Now just find the app you want to recover. Tap the checkbox next to it and then hit install. That's it. Your deleted apps will be back on your phone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.